It was the first time I had left the safety of my home station. It troubled me that I hadn't told my stepfather the truth. I would not be heading straight back from Riga, but Hunter was depending on me.
So, where you from?
Riga. I'm making the rounds, buying merchandise.
Well, I bet you've seen a few places then.
Yeah, the market is right next to Riga, and that's a big metro already.
Alles
I
lukt.
used to make
Zwaar
regular
cool,
trips to Polis,
zo.
but getting there now requires a lot of luck. That or being from
Have a
Hansa.
safe trip. How come?
Hey, hey.
Hansa connects to the whole metro and has a lot of stations, but doesn't welcome outsiders. And if it's not Hansa, then you have to go through the Reds, the Nazis, or your regular bandits. And these guys are really going at it lately. If they're not fighting everyone else, they're warring with each other. The worst thing that I've ever been through was... actually...
You dumbasses! Slow down, guys.
Hey there.
What's up?
A military caravan got stuck near Alexeyevskaya. A tunnel collapsed or other shit. You have to use the service tunnel bypassing Alexeyevskaya.
Ja, het is lustig dit hier.
All right, Peter. Open up the gate. No point being stuck here forever.
Why? Well, what's wrong with that tunnel?
Well, it's an ordinary tunnel. Not as well lit, maybe. I went through there last month and, well, I just don't like it. That's all.
Okay. Da müssen wir durch. Wieso hat es jetzt so ein Sicherheitstor?
Have a safe trip.
We're riding a ham car and we're armed, so I think we'll make it there okay. Damn, this my head hurt.
If you help push the lever, we'll get there sooner.
Okay, Eugene, you go help the men. We should move faster here. You watch the back, Artyom.
Sure.
Watch
I'll
the
help.
back.
That way we'll get to Riga in no time, right?
Ja,
We should get out of here sooner.
ich will gerne lieber führen schauen, sorry.
And I pity them.
What?
Them? Who them?
Can you hear them weep?
Whom do you mean, them? What are you talking about? Huh? What the hell is going on about?
Hey, was ist los mit dir?
Boris. Boris!
Mach mal.
Hey, what's happening to me?
Ich mach mal.
Huh?
Was ist das gewesen?
Oh.
Oh! Oh!
Artyom, what is it?
Oh shit, kann ich nicht die Resine benutzen? Weggehen. Wow! Gasmaske nutzt da nichts.
Artyom! Over here!
If we are to survive, this threat must be eliminated, no matter the cost. Eliminated it.
Oh, das die Dark Ones. Die dunklen. Ui. Oh, sorry. Das war mein Nattel. What? Sind sie tötbar in diesem Fall, oder? Was hat das erzählen? Hallo?
Boy, what the hell's going on? Shit! Wake up, people! People! Wake up, for Christ's sake! Boris! Boris, wake up! Boris! Shit! It's no good!
Oh! Oh! Ja, ja, ja! Mach den Hebel! Mach den Hebel! Oh, was? Du bist da gewesen, habe ich gemeint. Oh! Grusiges Ding, geh weg! Oh! Ah! Ah! Das Schwein! Yeah. Oh! Nein! Oh shit! Nein, 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 nimm nicht hin, nimm nicht hin! Ah, geh aus dem Weg! Fuck! Ja, ja, ja. Okay, okay. Nein. Oh, du Ding. Uff, das Feedback von der Waffe ist wirklich geil, als ob ich wirklich immer jedes Mal mit Finger durchziehe. Okay, okay, okay. Braucht sie mit 2 Schüssen? Ja, 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 ja. Nein, 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 nein. Oh, fuck. Wichser. Au, au. Shit, shit, shit. Los, abjump, abjump. Oh shit, hoffentlich treffen sie mich nicht. Stop it! Guys! Oh man. Hell yeah!
That was hot.
Ja,
I need a drink.
voll. Damn, ist das geil gewesen. Bourbon.
Riga station was only the first stop on my journey, but the caravan went no further. So, before parting ways, we drank to celebrate our survival. The vodka didn't drown my fear of traveling on to Polis alone, but I was about to find myself with an unexpected and notorious partner.
Notorious? Heißt berüchtigt, oder? Bist du mein Partner? Nein, du musst mit mir fahren.
Boys. Let's train to our friend Artyom, who goes
Hey.
right through monsters and anomalies alike. To Artyom.
To you.
Alright. Vodka.
Hell, if not for you, Artyom, we'd have been shredded like cabbage. You deserve a medal. Or at least some extra ammo. Here, take them. To you.
Okay.
Artyom, to you.
Oh, Bug, Glitch, was auch immer.
Artyom, you really immune to that shit?
See if that shroom vodka knocks him down, huh?
Pilzwodka.
Okay, we've got to check that. Good luck.
Und gegen was soll ich immun sein? Gegen die Vision, aber ich kann sie doch auch. Let's drink it.
The vodka kicks everyone's ass, huh?
So tell me, the tunnel to market's closed down and I'm bored to death sitting here on my ass.
We just for some kind of invisible wave. We all blacked out. When I came to, it's a good mistake.
Let me
Sind wir
play
dann wieder
hero
zwei?
the next time, huh?
Okay, Moment nochmal geschwind, ich muss etwas checken.
Seems that
Oh lol, ich hab's gedacht, ich habe die ganze Zeit in der falschen Auflösung gespielt. Ich hoffe, man merkt es nicht, aber ab jetzt ist es wieder auf 19,
Thanks, boy.
19 18, was auch immer. Das ist halt das Beste im Moment. So, wo müssen wir her? Munition haben wir genug.
I got my rights, blin. Let me out of the station. And what the hell do you care if I live or die?
I don't care, asshole.
Wow.
I got my orders.
Was willst du? Ah, sehr gut. Auf einmal. Okay, warten die alle auf die Weiterreise? Also ich muss einfach nicht, oder? Hey, Bub! Hä? Ernsthaft?
Are you Artyom?
Ja, voll.
Hey, there's a man at the Black Street waiting for you. He's kind of big and scary. And he doesn't smell good either. Ugh. I'll
Scary.
guide you there for one bullet.
Also gut.
Thanks, let's go.
Obwohl es wahrscheinlich so einfach wäre zu finden. Ah, und da leben sie. Also das ist dann von der grossen Stadt.
Hey, let's go.
Take it anymore.
Ah, man. Der ist übel dran. Okay, es wäre wahrscheinlich doch nicht so einfach gewesen zu finden. Slow-mo. Ich hab's gewusst, da ist etwas. Eine.
That's him, sitting over there.
Come
Well, I'll
here.
be going. Bye.
You're Artyom, right? Sit down.
Alright.
Everybody calls me Bourbon.
Bourbon.
I need to get to Dry Station for some business, but this rat hole is on lockdown. I, however, know a back way. A so-called cursed passage the locals are afraid to use. But I hear the shit in the tunnels doesn't work on you. So, you help me get to Dry, I'll give you my AK when we get
Alright.
there.
Das nehme ich gerne.
Deal? Good. Here's an advance payment in case you need to gear up first. Are you ready? Sitting in this crap hole is useless.
Aber ich will noch gerne Munition nehmen. Ja. 48 Cash. 100 brauche ich, um die gute Waffe zu kaufen, oder? Ah, keine Ahnung. Zuerst will ich mal einen Schalldämpfte.
Раз, два, три, четыре. Раз, два, три, четыре. Иксодатушки.
Xogatushke, Brokazakatushke, Brekasike, Richetere, B. Voll cool, wir sind zusammen am Singen, wir sind zusammen ausgerüstet. Wir sind Freunde. In der Tunnel. Was läuft? Aha.
As I
Verfluchte.
entered the abandoned tunnel with Bourbon, I wondered if I'd been wrong to trust him. But the station gates were still sealed, and there was no telling when I would have another chance to leave Riga.
Okay. Aha. Schaut mal oben. Das ist noch spannend. Das habe ich gar nicht bemerkt.
Great, we broke free.
Das sehen wir immer, wo wir
Now
sind.
keep your eyes peeled. The handcar ride is over. Lots of tough guys died in these tunnels. But if we watch each other's backs, we'll get there.
Kommt die Essen?
Ah, that's just a single lurker. They rarely attack groups of people. But if you're alone, watch your ass.
Alright. What? Ah! Was ist das? Ah, whatever. Hey, die Geräusche überall, es ist so spannend, ich sag's
Strange
euch.
sounds. Either the ground is making that noise or the wind. I also heard tales of singing pipes. They say if you listen long enough, you can hear the voices of the dead. What bullshit.
Das glaube ich. Wo müssen wir durch? Wollen wir da rüber? Okay, aber ich gehe rasch rüber. Bastards. Yeah. Wartet mal. Was habe ich auf dem Vieri? Nicht. Kann ich die aufs Vieri tun? Was ist das? Drei die Luftdruckwaffe. Ja, es ist besser, Leute. Ich weiss es echt nicht. Ich nehme mal die. Sorry, dass ich da jetzt so lange hatte. Ah, ich kann nicht runter, schade. Da kann ich runter. Oh, fuck. Ja. Oh, fuck. Ich sehe das gerade wieder.